Hey there, fellow Salesforce enthusiasts. Welcome to an exciting episode where we discuss top tips and tricks for mastering Salesforce administration. I'm Aisha, and this is my brilliant sidekick Edgar.
Thank you for the kind introduction, Aisha. Today, we have a treat for all the Salesforce administrators out there. We'll be sharing some invaluable tips and tricks for mastering Salesforce administration and achieving optimal performance. So, let's dive right in.
Tip number 1: Customizing the Salesforce interface. To truly optimize your Salesforce experience, it's important to tailor the platform to your specific needs. Take advantage of Salesforce's flexible interface options, like creating custom apps and page layouts. By simplifying the interface and removing unnecessary clutter, you can improve user adoption and boost productivity.
And don't forget to leverage dynamic dashboards. These provide real-time insights, allowing you to monitor key metrics at a glance. With the ability to filter data dynamically, you can empower your team to make data-driven decisions and take action swiftly.
Moving on to tip number 2: Automation. Salesforce is all about streamlining workflows and reducing manual tasks. Utilize workflow rules, visual flows, and even artificial intelligence tools like Einstein to automate repetitive tasks. This not only saves time but also minimizes errors and ensures consistent data quality.
And here's a pro tip, folks: take advantage of approvals in Salesforce. Set up approval processes for critical actions within your organization. By automating this approval workflow, you can prevent bottlenecks, maintain compliance, and stay organized.
Tip number 3: Data management. Keeping your Salesforce org clean and organized is vital for optimal performance. Regularly review your data to identify duplicates, inactive records, and obsolete fields. Deleting unnecessary data or archiving it can improve system performance and prevent data skew.
Absolutely, Aisha. And speaking of data management, make sure to establish data governance policies. Create a data dictionary, define naming conventions, and provide proper training to your team. This ensures everyone follows best practices and maintains data integrity consistently.
On to our final tip: staying updated. Salesforce is constantly evolving, introducing new features and functionalities. It's crucial to stay up to date with release notes, attend webinars, and join relevant user groups. By keeping yourself informed, you can take advantage of the latest enhancements and ensure you are getting the most out of Salesforce.
And don't overlook the power of the Salesforce Trailhead. It's an incredible resource that offers interactive, hands-on training modules to help you master different Salesforce features. From admin trails to developer modules, there's something for everyone. Plus, it's a great way to earn badges and showcase your expertise to potential employers.
And there you have it, fellow Salesforce wizards, our top tips and tricks for mastering Salesforce administration and achieving optimal performance. We hope you found these insights valuable and will implement them to unleash the full potential of Salesforce in your organization.
Remember, Salesforce administration is an ongoing journey of learning and growth. So keep exploring, keep experimenting, and keep expanding your Salesforce skills. Before we sign off, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who can benefit from this knowledge.
Thanks for tuning in. Until next time, keep harnessing the power of Salesforce. And stay tuned for more exciting episodes.